Good morning, Saint Martin. Grabbing breakfast before heading out. Celebrity Cruise, which is a larger cruise ship, arrived on port, so the tourist area might be a bit busy today. We were on way to Maho Beach, which is the beach that we could see when the airplanes are landing. It's called airplane spotting. But upon arrival, we were very, very disappointed because we were not informed that there were so much rocks. Apparently, some tropical depression came, swept all the sand on the shore or even on the street. So they have to put the sand back, and they did not. Our driver took us to another beach. This beach was like 20 minutes from where we docked, and it was another beautiful day to be at the beach. I'm beaching it out. Beach, beach every day. The water made us hungry, so we had to get something to eat. Rice and peas and red snapper and salmon. The food was good.
Caluroso aplauso para todos ellos, por favor. ¿Quieren postre el día de hoy? Muy bien, entonces van a tener que levantarse a bailar la Macarena junto a nosotros. Así que todos arriba.
Macarena. The dining room staff did a dance for us during dinner. Love and marriage game show. I'm gonna want to let out the people them business. There is always entertainment. While this was taking place on the 6th floor, then I think this one was a Caribbean party night. There was also entertainment going on at dinner, entertainment going on while I guess in the theater. Always entertainment. Time for bed. Good night. Subscribe.